Good morning, everybody. Lisa's my realtor here, also known as Lisa Mejri. Wanted to touch bases with you and share with you some more information. So this morning I'm going to be talking about property taxes when buying and selling real estate and your supplemental tax bill and what exactly that is. So we know that property taxes are due twice a year. They're due April 10th and December 10th. So depending on when you sell and buy your house, there's going to be a difference in the way that property taxes are dealt with. So let's say you're going to sell your home. Property taxes, since they're due twice a year, if the beginning of the year, the April taxes are for January 1st until the middle of the year, June. So depending on when you sell your house, if you haven't paid your property taxes yet because they're not due till April and you're selling in January, when you go and sell your home, the escrow is going to take the property taxes that are owed from January until the date that you close escrow, and they're going to deduct that from your proceeds and pay those property taxes for you. Conversely, if you're buying it and you're closing it in January, then when they close escrow is going to charge you, the buyer, from January when you close escrow until the end of the year and have your property taxes paid through escrow. So that's the difference on whether you're going to be getting, if you sell in the end after April, when the property taxes have been paid, then you will get a credit back from escrow because that has already been paid, and then the buyer will be then paying the difference when they close. So that's a little bit of the difference on how the property taxes work, whether or not you're going to be charged from the seller side or you're going to get a credit from the seller side. And no matter what, the buyer, you're going to be charged for the difference of the days. It just depends on how much and how far in you're going to be in based on the 6-month time frame. Escrow will take the annual property taxes, and the tax assessor deducts that by 2. And then escrow will divide that half into the daily rate, and that's how they calculate how much property taxes are owed. Now, when it comes to the supplemental tax bill, buyers, when you're buying a house about 60, 90, sometimes even 120 or 180 days after you close escrow, depending on how far back the tax assessor is, you will get what's called a supplemental tax bill. So your property taxes are based on the purchase price of your home. So since we've seen in California an increase in home values, most of the time when you are buying a home, you are going to be paying more than what the seller paid for the home when they purchased the home. So when you're closing escrow, the property taxes are based on the seller's purchase price of the home, not on the buyer's purchase price of the home, which is usually less than what the buyer is paying for it. So let's say, for example, a seller purchased a home in 2010 when the market was a lot lower than it is now, and they purchased a home for, say, $200,000, and now they're selling it now for $400,000 because equity has been made and the property values are up. So now the new buyer is going to be purchasing it at the $400,000, and the property taxes through escrow are based only at the $200,000. So when this tax assessor goes and reassesses the property taxes at the new $400,000 purchase price, now you're going to get a supplemental tax bill for that difference of the $200,000 to the $400,000, which is in this instance, in this scenario, it's going to be $200,000 difference. And the property taxes roughly in every county are different, but average is about 1.02 here in the area of Chino. So if you do the 1.02 times 200, you're looking at about a supplemental tax bill of about $2,000. So just be prepared that you will have that after you close escrow, usually 60 or 90 days, or sometimes even 120 or 180, depending on how far back the tax assessors are. So just keep that in mind when you're purchasing a home. I try and give as much valuable information to you as possible. Again, my name is Lisa Mejri with RE/MAX Top Producers. If you guys are interested in knowing more information or have questions, feel free to call me at any time. I'm happy to answer them. And of course, if you're looking to buy or sell, I'm always happy to help. Give me a call at 909-583-7844. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.